Hello friends. In this episode let's know about Indian gooseberry plant, covering the plant description, medicinal benefits, plant propagation, nutritional value, cultural importance and many more interesting facts. So welcome to Planting Nature. Indian gooseberry is native to India. The scientific name is Philanthus umbilica, also called as Umbilica officinalis. In English, it is called as Indian gooseberry, Umbilic myrobalan. It is called as Amla in Hindi. This plant belongs to a family called Phylanthaceae. Indian gooseberry is a deciduous tree, that is, it can shed the leaves annually. The flowering happens from March to May and fruiting from June to September. The one specialty of this tree is the fruit will not ripe. These fruits can stay on the tree until next March, that is the next flowering season. So if you have this tree at your home, you can have the fruits for whole year. This tree can reach about 18 meters high. This is a tropical tree. It can tolerate high and low temperature as well. The trunk is covered with grey to brownish black in color bark, which is rough and irregular. The leaves are small, light green to yellow in color. These are simple, alternate and are closely overlapping on each other. The flowers are very small, about 5 millimeters, yellow to pinkish in color. Each flower has 6 segments, but these are not the real petals. These flowers are unisexual and clustered on the leaf axil. Each cluster is formed with around 6 to 10 flowers. Both male and female flowers are carried on the same branch but separately. The fruit is spherical, light green yellow in color. It is a smooth and very hard fruit. This fruit appears to be having 6 vertical stripes on it and are divided into 3 segments. Each fruit consists of around 6 seeds in it. The seeds are reddish brown in color. Now let's look at the nutritional value of this fruit. Amla fruit consists of around 86% of water, 10% of carbohydrate, half of it is fiber, protein around 1% and fat around 0.5%. Along with these macronutrients, Amla is power packed with many micronutrients including vitamins, minerals and various plant chemicals including polyphenols, flavonoids, etc. Of all the micronutrients, Amla is very rich in vitamin C. Indian gooseberry is highly auspicious and is one of the sacred trees to Hindus. This tree is also believed as Lord Vishnu's avatar. All the parts of this tree, like fruits, leaves, flowers, are used to worship, especially in the month of Kartika. It is believed that this tree has emerged from the spills of Amrutam, from the fights between gods and demons during the Kshira Sagara Mathanam. Hence, it is claimed that it can cure almost any disease and helps in longevity of life. Amla plays a very prominent role in Buddhism as well. There are many stories relating to this fruit in Buddhist culture. The fruit is so nourishing that it is called as Earth Mother. Now let's look at some of the medicinal benefits. Indian gooseberry is one of the most used herb in the Ayurvedic medicine. The list of medicinal benefits is very long, ranging from treating to common cold to cancer. Let's look at some of them. The fruit has antioxidant properties. It can treat various infections, diarrhea, ulcers, constipation, respiratory problems, heart disorders, eye problems, anemia, cough, cold, dental problems, scurvy, and some bigger problems like cancer. Consumption of this fruit can help in diabetes control, boosting the immunity, helps in anti-aging, control of blood pressure, enhancing the food absorption, stomach acid balance, nourishing the brain and mental functioning, keeping the skin healthy, keeping the hair healthy, and cooling the body. So this is the reason why it is called as Earth Mother. Indian gooseberry is one of the ingredients of Triphala, which is considered as a wonder medicine in Ayurveda. Because of these benefits, this fruit is used in many healthcare products ranging from paste, oil, dye, shampoo, soap, face cream, and many more. Not only the fruit, all the other parts of this tree are used in Ayurvedic medicine. Roots, bark, flower, leaves, etc. have their unique properties and unique medical benefits. The fruit can be eaten raw and is also highly used in food industry to make various products such as juice, pickles, chawanprash, murabba, candies, powder, capsules, jam. Many recipes are also available for cooking. Propagation. Indian gooseberry can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, air layering. If you want to propagate through seeds, soak the seeds in hot water for around 5 minutes, which will improve the germination rate. And for cuttings, select at least 1 year old stem. This tree can be grown anywhere. It can be grown on wastelands, salt affected areas, dry conditions, because it can tolerate almost any climate. The tree can bear fruits from 4 to 5 years, and in some hybrid varieties, the fruit is seen from second year as well. An average mature tree can yield up to 70 to 100 kgs of fruit, and if well maintained, the fruiting continues till 70 years. Hence, this tree becomes a good selection for commercial growing. With low investment and minimal care and high market value, good profits can be seen. So friends, hope this video is very helpful and informative as well. If you like the information, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, share the video. Thank you.